Also, you guys feel free to tear me apart in the comments. I haven't done an unboxing. I've watched them, but if I'm doing a terrible job, let me know. I want to get better. Hey, welcome to Image Coffee. This is the Ascaso Steel Series Duo PID. We're actually waiting for the Baby T, which is coming to America, but in the meantime, we just had to test out some of the Ascaso gear, get a feel for the environment, the ecosystem, everything that goes along with it. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of this guy today, go through some of the features with it, and hopefully in the weeks to come, we'll get to test it out a little bit, let you guys know what we think, our honest review. We bought this with our own money. It's not sponsored. We will gladly take a sponsorship, but it's not sponsored. So with that, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so let's go ahead and open this guy up. Ooh, we have packaging material, which is the most exciting of all things. I'm gonna confess to you guys, I'm pretty sure you don't care about this at all, but I have wanted to start doing unboxing videos for the better part of about 2 years. But I get so excited when I get something new, especially coffee related, and I honestly just can't wait. So I open it up and then have that sense of regret saying, I wish I would have opened this up and taken the time to set up and film it. So you guys are experiencing the first ever time that I was able to exercise enough patience to actually wait and do the unboxing video of this. All right, you guys, you ready? Oh, let's turn it on. Also, you guys feel free to tear me apart in the comments. I haven't done an unboxing. I've watched them. But if I'm doing a terrible job, let me know. I want to get better. You ready for this? The Ascaso Steel Duo PID. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, you guys, look at that. Yeah. All right. So we got a box in here, more packing materials, paperwork, descaler. It comes with descaler. You guys, descaling your machines, incredibly important. So this is Ascaso Duo PID. You got your steam one, you got your hot water valve, you got your forced rocker switches up here, you've got the pressure gauge, you've got everything you need. This is actually one of the more energy efficient espresso machines. It is not a boiler, so that's what I'm a little worried about, but I'm excited to figure out if they've kind of gotten better with the thermal block technology. We've had thermal block espresso machines before and they just have not been able to keep up. But apparently this one has a much bigger thermal block that's supposed to be amazing on the steam and amazing on the espresso side as well. We will see if it can actually keep up with the steam. I know it's gonna be slower than the boiler that we have on the Oscar 2, but I think it should be able to keep up and it'll be consistent steam. So we'll play around with that. That'll probably be in the weeks to come. A little interesting, so if you could see, there's actually, the water container is not sealed. So you got your water container out here that you can pull out. Decent sized water container. It's got that whole hose system. My first espresso machine had that. Not a huge fan, but it is what it is. It works. And then over here, you've got the drip tray that actually, oh, well that's nice. So guys, this part stays and then this pulls out and you've got this nice little drip tray and it's got these little channels in it to keep from splashing around when you carry it to the sink. Let's come over here. Okay. So we get this fun little box, you guys. Look at this. It says Ascaso Barcelona. How great is that? Ooh, for coffee lovers, that's me. That's us, you guys. 1962, so they've got some history behind them, so that's good. Ooh, this is, oh, nice. It comes with the tamper. Ooh, this has got some nice weight to it, you guys. Ascaso. They got their brand on it as well, they should. All right, looks like this guy's going into retirement. I don't know, which one do you guys like? Wood handle or metal? Hourglass. Inside, you've got your portafilter. We are going to, ooh, whoa. You guys look at that handle. Look at that, you guys. It's got good weight to it, man. So, portafilter right in here as normal. Ooh, nice, good fit, nice gasket in there. Coffee scoop. I have never used the coffee scoop that comes with anything, be it an espresso machine or a grinder, but I'm glad that it comes with it. You've got your single basket, two single baskets actually. Huh, I wonder if that was supposed to happen, or is one of these pressurized? Can you guys see if it's pressurized? Oh, here we go. Nope. You guys, I don't know, these look very, very similar. Oh, this is for the pod. So you got the pod single dose basket and the regular single dose basket. And then you've got the pressurized. Then you've obviously got your blank for back flushing the machine. And that has been a successful unboxing. All right, that's gonna do it for us here today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for a review. We are so excited to actually start using this thing, getting to know it a little bit, and we'll share our thoughts with you guys. So if you're watching this on YouTube, like and subscribe. If you're watching this on Instagram, follow or do whatever the millennials do these days. We are so excited to be able to launch this adventure with you guys. If you're looking to pick up gear of your own, check out image.coffee. We have coffee beans, we have brewers, we have grinders. We'd love to help you get started brewing coffee at home and just making coffee that you'll love on a good budget. And ultimately, saving money, because $5 for a coffee is not cheap. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you want us to do more of this. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.